So hello guys, today we'll be doing this question number 16. So the question is the molecule in which hybrid AOS involves only one d orbital of the central atom is. So is it this element? Is it this element? Is it this element? Or is it this element? Okay. So okay. So let's get to the answer. So in CrF6 3 minus has hybridization of D2sp3 means 2d orbital used. Okay. In XeF4 F4 has hybridization of sp3d2 means 2d orbital is used. In BrF5 it has hybridization of sp3d2 which means 2d orbital is used. And in NiCN4 2 minus has hybridization of dsp2 orbital which means 1d orbital is used. Okay, so number 4 has 1d orbital and other 3 have 2d orbital. So so this fourth will be the correct answer. So I hope all you get it. Thank you.